What going on, guys? Welcome back to Photoshop. This is ASAS Pixel Studio. So in this video I'm giving out these actions for free, and I'm going to be showing you how to download, install them, and how to use them. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before any other thing, go into the description. You're going to see the download link. Click on the link and get the actions. So once you finish downloading the actions, or come back to the video to continue. Now I've downloaded mine, and this is mine. There are 25 in numbers, 25 ASAS Pixel Retouching action set. So that's the name, and I'm going to show you how to export it and how to get it into Photoshop right away. So now let's just open it up, double click to open it up, and I'm just going to drag it. Just create a folder for it and drag it out of the folder. Now it's going to ask for password. So the password is in the video, so just keep watching. I'm going to show you what the password is. So I'm just quickly going to type the password, and then I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to extract. So once I finish extracting it, you're going to see it here. Now it's time to get it into Photoshop, right? Yes, that's very easy. Let's go back to Photoshop, and now we're in Photoshop, we're going to bring the action panel. For us to do that, we're going to go to Windows or see actions. So these are actions that I have. I already have the actions, or if you want to bring yours, you can do that. Now this is how to bring it into Photoshop. Just click on this and go to load actions. It's gonna go, you're gonna navigate to where the actions is. So the folder, so this is the folder where I extracted it into. So you're just gonna click on this one, and then you're gonna click load. Once you do that, you're gonna see the actions over here. So I don't want to do it again because I've done it before. Now if you want it to show in, you can just click on the button mode, and you're going to see it. So I'm going to bring mine again. So just come here, click on load actions, and go to where I say you should go to, actions, click on this one, and it's going to hide it again. So this is it, all of them right here. So I'm just going to delete it because I already have it inside. Now if you want it to show the way it's showing, you can go to button mode, and it's going to show like this, and decrease the size, and it's just going to flatten it out like this. So now first of all, I'm going to use the actions to show you how to use the color correction part of the actions. We have 4 color correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and some are very easy and straightforward, while some are hard based on the kind of job you want to use it on. Okay, so now I'm not going to use the all 4. At least they differ and they give you different results, and they are best in different problems. Okay, so some are just straightforward. I'm going to show you how to use one particular one, which is this second one, which is a solid color. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's actually going to tell you the color you should pick. Now this action, I'm going to show you how to use it to remove uneven skin, especially the dark side like the neck, which are very hard to remove. Okay, so I'm just going to click somewhere very saturated, like let's choose somewhere here, and it's okay. Now it's going to select the brush and every other thing you need, and the mask for you. So all you just need to do is to paint over. Now you can actually go back and change the settings, okay, to where it's saturated. But now you can see that the neck, even our forehead is dark, and all of the, even our hand, you can see some darker place. So these actions is actually straightforward. Now I'm just going to click on it. That we need to fix for the other image. So for us to do that, I'm going to select it again, and then I'm going to click on the cheek of this. It's okay, and it's going to create a new one for me, and I can go on in the after. All right, so now I want to do for the hand. So I'm just going to go dark. It's dark, so we want to brighten it up. So I'm just going to click on the curve, so manually, and bring this up like this. Take it in and Ctrl I to invert the mask. Let's take a soft brush and let's paint on where we want to brighten up. Away from some places, you can add it back and all of that. Okay, so now that we've done that, I also come here. You can also add color balance and remove some of the yellows by adding some blues, and go to the shadows. Let's add some blues to it. Highlight just a little bit correction to get the right white for the image. So now where things get interesting is when I add the solid color layer and go ahead and go to now the yellows. I'm going to take this towards the left and bring everything all the way up like this, and let's see what we can do. So if we take it, we're going to add blues. We take it forward, we're going to have some skin tones like that, depend on the one you want. Okay, so if you bring it back, it's actually going to look even. Let's see what the red can do. Bringing it up will brighten it up so much, and let's just give it a little bit brown color. So we take it, it's gonna remove the add blue, so I don't want to add blues to it. And now let's see, this should be fine. Yeah, so let's leave it like that, and this should be fine somewhere there. Let's close it and let's zoom in so you can see how it's actually blended together. If we turn this off, we're going to have this, which is the color balance. Turn it on, we're going to have this rich blue kind of feel. Let's turn this off so you see what it's doing in the image before. File. Now I'm going to write the password to the file. Let's go ahead, so add some text. So this is the password. In small letters, we have ACEARSPIXELSTUDIO ESAS Pixel Studio as our password. So let's make it bigger. This is with the password, ESAS Pixel Studio as our password. So if you want anything else, there's a password. Alright guys, so see you in the next video, and I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys for watching.